Good morning guys! Another day, another adventure para sa mga lakwacheros. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Guimaras. Kasama ko ang mga lakwachero, sina lakwachero Aldi, lakwachero Bernie, lakwachera Jurly, lakwachero Melay, lakwachero Julius, lakwachero Dami, lakwachero Michael, at saka si lakwachero Larry. Guys, mayroon kami kasama ngayon. May special guest kami, si Jewel. So guys, samahan nyo kami. Ang challenge kayo namin dito sa Guimaras ay kain kami sa unlimited manggahan for 30 minutes. Paramihan kami ng makakain, guys. So, samahan nyo kami, guys. Let's go! Guys, dito yung venue. Oh. Nasa Capitol kami ngayon. So, makikita nyo maraming mga mangga na naka-display. So, later pa yung schedule ng ng unlimited mangga. Oo. Excited yung mga lakwacheros. So, dito oh. Kita mo yung mga mangga, guys. Ang gaganda. Oh, dito guys, oh. Wow! Oh. Dito guys, oh, maraming mga panindang mga mangga. Yan. Alam nyo ba guys na ang Guimaras is well known sa pinakamatamis na mangga. So every year, nagsiselebrate sila ng Manggahan Festival. Meron din mga souvenir items. Dito yung registration area sa Eat All You Can. 9 to 9:30. 30 minutes naman.
Okay naman it's whatsoever. Many as you can.
Gina-serve lang, ma'am.
Ma-raise lang ka po.
Ma-raise hand. Okay. Kung maubos na, raise hand. So, diin kami ma-start, ma'am, dito sa pihak. At totoong line. Tapos na. Okay. Malibot na. Let's go. Dito. Ha? Guys, excited na ang lahat. It's our first time to try this Eat All You Can. Dati Eat All You Can lang kami sa mga sa mga Eat All You Can only rice.
Yes, try naman natin yung
inasal. Paramihan ng ng rice. Ngayon, paramihan ng makakain mangga. It's a challenge, guys. Guys, sabi ni lakwachero Jurly,
ang mangga ay pampatagdag, ganda. Ang ganda, pampasiksi.
yes, excited ako doon, guys. Sa pampasexy.
Kain na!
Guys, dito na kami sa pilahan. Yan. Antay na kami ng time kasi mag-open daw ng 9. So, excited ang lahat.
Para hindi magkaso,
Challenge dito, guys. Maubos kaya nila Lakwachero Michael yung 10 kilo sa kalahating oras. Malalaman natin mamaya. Abangan! Si Lakwachero Julius, ilan kayang kilong maubos?
Dalawa.
Ikaw, Lakwachero Alde. 1 kilo. Isang kaeng? Si Lakwachero Julius siguro mga 1 kilo lang. 1 kilo yung may iwan sa isang kaeng. Guys, hindi makasama si Lakwachero Larry. Kasi marami na siyang sugar sa katawan. Hindi siya naka-take ng asin kanina. So, na lang, i-video sa mamaya sa atin.
We are already almost ready to venture in.
Yes guys, start na!
Start exactly at 9 a.m.
Guys, pasok na tayo, guys.
We have now officially opened the entrance area para sa mga visitors. Initially, nag-register na for the mango gift on your campus sa Tumaga for our first batch starting 9 o'clock. Sila na lang kami na pre-reading. So, give us everyone to please stand us down. And we hopefully answer to you na mga kulukuhan. At pinaka-importante para sa inyo. Ay, so, mabilis na lahat. Mabilis na lahat. Great mango. Isa na. We also request everyone na iwan ninyo sa wash your hands. Yes.
Guys, try natin. Nung piraso lang.
So please wash your hands para komportable.
Hello, we still have 30 seconds for you to catch up for the 9 o'clock slot. Okay, so everyone please hurry up. We're all going to start all together.
Di na mo manginaw?
Please, for those who want to catch up the 9 o'clock, please get inside. Hello, we still have 30 seconds for you to catch up for the 9 o'clock slot. Okay, so
Guys,
hurry up.
excited na.
Wala sa makanay.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the province of Guimaras Mangahan Festival 2024. Welcome to the Mango Eat All You Can. So we're almost going to start now in a queue. I want everybody to raise one mango up, please. Please raise one mango up. And here's, dito kayo sa aming mga magaganda. So we can have a good picture, no, with the girls. Would you like to do that? Okay, okay. I cannot see it. Raise it up and help us in the countdown. In 3, 2,
One.
go! Enjoy your mangoes! Okay, now so here is
May mga balon, ito mga to guys.
Yes.
Guys, kung lang ideal, mag-inom ito tubig damo daw.
and our refillers
May lang
will
Sip ko lang ito.
for your additional mangoes.
Sabi ko ng tao.
And then we encourage you.
Be?
We also practice your session go. So,
Guys, first bite. Ang sarap. Patingin-tingin.
So that is our participation at 30 minutes. So you can eat as many mangoes as you can. Take your time, relax, because we will be going around with you can
Sige. Mas lang.
what do you call that? Banana leaf. So that is our
Grabe nga, urap ni Lapatiro Tiruso.
as you can. Take your time, relax.
Hindi na yan dapat inay-inay.
Going around with
Dapat mabilis yung kain para marami.
So, Ma'am Clara, can we start from this table? I will start from here. Go ahead.
Siyempre, malapit.
And once again, parang nakalaton our guest Bukid
Yes, moving on. Yes, we have been watching since yesterday. They were here. I think the whole barangay was alive. Negros Occidental was here.
Pangilan na yan, Lakwachero Julius?
Ha?
Pangilan na yan?
Pangatlo na ni.
Pangatlo na?
Okay, thank you, Kapol. People, let us welcome the man here from Pangasinan. Okay, welcome, sir, from Iloilo City, the beautiful family, I guess. And, of course,
Thank you, good sir. So far,
Natakbo ah. Talaga may nalang bilhin.
I will start from here, going that way. Okay, from this table, from where are you, sir? Okay, table.
Mike! Challenge to Mike! Kadua pa lang ta!
From this table.
Tapi Julius pun lah.
please welcome
Grabe
our
na
guest
si
from
Julius.
Iloilo City.
Daw minggu.
And once again, welcome our guest
Murah mo mo bos dulu. Balang kita. Sige ba kaya kaon.
Yes, we have watched from Salina yesterday. They were here, I think, the whole barangay was alive. Negros Occidental was here yesterday.
Ano ba? Pangatlo na ni. Dah Julius mo takbo sila.
Nainay na lang.
Okay, thank you,
Kaya,
Kapol. People, let us welcome the man family, I guess. And, of course,
raise your hand! Raise your hand na!
one more from the city of it's been so quiet. I think they're going to eat the 15 pieces, 16 pieces not gold. From where?
Wala pa.
Ayo madam.
Okay, we have another here from Pontevedra. Okay, everyone, let us welcome to
One more?
Just raise your hands.
Pagkakauna-una ano pati sulit pa kayo lang yan. Wala kita kita.
Panlaban ko lang ni si Michael mo.
Ayo madam.
Ako ni siya budiga.
Naman. Tapos ay wala. Takbo pa muna ako.
Ito kadugang. Pila ko no? 39 pieces na ubod? May nakaubos 39? Sa 30 minutes? Ginano yung pagkaon?
Siya lang isa, bubuhay ako sa daw. Imanan ko ba? Hindi naman wala ako doon.
Lugay naman ito.
Siya lang record rate.
Siya ang nag-breaking. May premyo?
Ito pinaisan na ako, boss?
Doon na time, mama, hindi ano, mawala time.
Wala time. Wala time.
Kaya pwede 30 minutes.
Open
Di sa 30 minutes, pwede ano lang. Mga pulo ba si kaya pa ni Michael?
Last year, 18.
18? Kaya mo na Mike, 19.
Kaya po may naka-15.
Wala na gamay-gamay kayo mo, ko 20.
Mukha ko ako ganun. Wala pinakabati lang.
Pauwi sa mga gada.
Pre, ano? Nakukuha ka na ako.
Kalma ha? Kalma ha? Oh, thank you sir.
Thank you. Dami mo na lang. Ayan.
Wala? 20 minutes lang?
Ah? Ano? 15 minutes pa lang? Marami-rami pa?
I got 4.
Balima na yan.
4 pa lang ni.
Ako bang tatlong lang kanino?
Yeah, 4 na na. Muna ngayon ka na.
Oo. Dapat lang, okay na na.
Ay, ala ka na. May kibir ni. O, tanawa bala. Limpyo? Ano niya ang challenge niya? Patinlo-tinlo sa ano? Bagoy?
Yun ka na mo na. Nasupsop kami na. Wala. Guys, pang lima.
Okay, thank you very
Kasi yung
much.
pamagal, no?
So again, take your time. You still have 20 minutes to enjoy the mangoes. And don't forget to put the hashtag with all your fans while eating
Gardero,
after you
ikaw hindi nakapalak-palak. Tara ka.
another mango. Just snack
Palak-palak isa.
Ang mangga, makapa-high blood hindi.
here. And if you wait
Dati si Garo.
would be happy to know to improve.
Naka-i-vlog lang naman mga kakao. Dati wala ka lang ng mangga. Nakakawala ka na nagpili ng mangga. Mga taon sa bilaw. Nakakasarap lang no, guys.
Hindi ka na magdugang?
Dugang pa na sa. Lima pa na dugang doon.
So it's okay. And we are the only
Berne pila?
Philippines with geography.
5. Arlene, ikalima ni. Ikaw patiti mo?
Lagi dulu, lima dulu, ano dulu?
Ganong niya. Natulo ko naman ang pasko sa ako sa po.
Ha? Sobra na sa isa.
Tuwa? Tuwa.
Dua na kakain.
Dari niya, saan di banyak ya?
Ito lang nasa paso.
Dari ko, kau
Sabay sila makasunod na sir. Lamayo.
May after this, kung hindi na mag-drink water, ha?
Ayoy.
Ay, gimana ako niya?
Kuya, sir?
Oh, thank you very much. Let's give on Okay, that's a very good evaluation, huh? Carol, that's very, very positive. So wow, we're overwhelmed.
Katuwanan kita po, sugod mo.
Yeah.
Katuwanan ko tao, gusto ko ka mo doon, bay.
You know the very reason why we have to see this mango
Saan pa ko namin?
is the soil.
20 minutes ba?
Lime soil in Limeras. So it's very rich in calcium. That's why our mangoes can sweet
May makakuha sa atin garon pulo. Ano ko naman?
because we back
Pinit yung buwan ng atong tanan.
where we put some special paper para yung mga
Ay, sugar, tamay ka?
Why ko sugar eh?
That's why mga maganda yung mga declared as the national mango of the Philippines. That's recently by the Department of Agriculture. Once again, your
Kaya, Kiray? Hindi mo na-carry?
Katuwanan ko doon.
Is and that, kahit kinala naman mo pala na hindi ka on how to better present
Kapagad?
Wow! Okay, also again, we anyone who can give one of the line, I will give you a prize. Any good lines?
Ubus ni.
Ha?
Ubus ni. Lugay pa na mo. 13 minutes. Kaya pa? 13.
Hindi ko siya pabayaan pala. Magalit man. Sige lang, take your time, think about it. We'll receive something from us. You can give one good line. Let's use the word ako. mangga or mango. Eat all you can. Okay.
Okay na?
Oo. Tapos niya, nakakita ba na
Yaw ko din.
outside and grab a box. Very chill. It's a chansali na hindi ka makakapasa yung makasalubong.
Ako pang pitol niyo. Yun lang.
Give her us a welcome from the city of love. And these two is so quiet. I think they're going to eat
Refill,
the
boss.
15 pieces, 16 pieces mango, no? From where?
Refer na sila pa si Roding.
Okay, we had another here from Pontevedra.
Kunabor ko tayo sa kunabor.
Mas agad na pa lang?
You still have 10 minutes.
10 minutes daw?
10 minutes, that's most likely you can still have 5 pieces of mangoes.
Ito yung next day. Kasi next day, hindi ko kaon pa.
Once again,
Okay, yes.
more concern for the generosity of our sponsors. For our platinum sponsors, we would like to thank Congresswoman Mayen C.L. Nava MP, who's magiging party list, and
From here, and from this table, Iloilo City. Ma'am Carol, can you have the table, please? Okay, welcome. Yes, July again. Yes. Okay, everyone. Let us welcome the people from the city of Smile, Bacolod City. And from these two, from where? From Bacolod. So I would like to guess that they took the Tumangas Road and had their just looking here for the mango in Olivet. So again, we'd like to welcome everyone for the mango in Olivet. So if you wish to add more mangoes, just raise your hands. Nakita na kapag kinakakulong sa taga-Bacolod na may nag-raise na sa kiyang hands. Ito, sikito, lami ang duwa lang dito daw, ipit nila 16 pieces. Mas like, yung mga 5 kilos, going kita sila sa ilawan 100. Because they're
20 minutes lang.
kaya ang pinakadamo was 13 kilos. That's roughly 39 pieces from a young gentleman from General Santos. Okay, so 39, yes, 39 pieces, 13 kilos. Okay, so from a very young gentleman from
Dami pa, 15 kilos.
Kalma ha? Oh, thank you, sir.
20 minutes pa man ah.
Wala, 20 minutes pa lang?
Hindi, 10 minutes pa lang na
Ha?
10 minutes.
Ano?
15 pa lang.
15 minutes pa lang?
10 pa lang?
Marami-rami pa?
Wala na sila pa si
4 pa
Ranjil.
lang ni?
Wala na.
Ako, nanay mo na ngayon ko na.
Alas mayo lang.
love developing something.
Tumatak na tayo.
For coming to the council for loving the province.
Panglima guys, panglima.
Oh, panglima na sila pa si
Okay, thank you very much. Ma'am. So again, you take your time. You still have 20 minutes. So enjoy the mangoes. And don't forget to put the hashtag Mangaan Festival 2024, hashtag Mangoes and More, hashtag Mango Eat province of Guimaras, #Kabataan First. So any of those, and please, we would like to know whether you are satisfied with the Mango Eat All You Can by giving us your evaluations. Can be here at top of your table. Just scan.
Sari ka pala ka, surrender na. Surrender na sila po si Roger.
Evaluate us. We'll be happy to know to improve. White House, the Buckingham Palace, recently we had an export to the European countries. So it's okay. And we are the only mango in the Philippines with geographical indication on the intellectual property of the Philippines. So I think it's more, we had a special sticker, GI sticker, already put on our mangoes.
The best lang kang sa dulu siya, matak kamay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, which one is the lowest offense to Mango Island Cafe, Softest Supa, Prime Gas, and Bank of the Philippines, and Tua Agricor, Kion Realty, B-Shine, Movies, Department of Tourism Region 6, Olivia's Kitchen, and Island Brew.
Ilay mo ma?
5.
Isa ka kilo ang tunga.
Carol, that's very, very positive. We're overwhelmed. We're so happy for the very good accomplishment for the mangas and Guimaras. You know, the very reason why we have the sweetest mango because of its calcareous soil and lime soil in Guimaras. So it's very rich in calcium. That's why our mangoes are sweet and it's beautiful because we back that.
On how to better present the province of Guimaras.
Panganim.
Wow!
Anong minutes na?
Okay, no, so again, we practice here clean as you go. Anyone there who has good lines using the word mango,
15 minutes.
mango, or manga? Would you like to
15 minutes
share
pala.
with us? Any who got lines? I would like to say some who got lines to this prayer. Sabi nila daw,
Sa pinakadamo,
Hindi lagi?
Lagi ito. Ito lang. Garni ko ro.
Juliet!
ha?
Pero ba?
Ito?
This and the coffee shop of Guimaras.
Pito? Isa pa? Pwede ng taga-Kanlaon. Pwede ng taga-Kanlaon, ano lang? 4 lang?
Oy, lima!
5? Ang taga-Kanlaon 5. Hindi, taga-Lacarlota? 7. Dugangan? Ha? Ang taga-Dumangas pila? Anom. Na, taga-Escalante na. Isa ka pa na Madaog ni taga-Escalante. Ha? Kaya pa?
Bueno ko ro.
Kaya pa? 5?
Ay, bigas ito.
Pwede yung taga-Uton ah. Diri lang ko sa ano. Diri lang ko sa taga Escalante kaysa taga Lacarlota. Lacarlota gani. Pwede na lang yun ang taga Bacolod ah. Wow. Ikaw? Pang pila? Wow.
you still have 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, that's most likely you can still have 5 pieces of mangoes.
And once again, maghahantas about 2024 May not be possible if not for the generosity received El Nava MD, Uswag Ilonggo Party List, ML Cruise Shipping Corporation, Magic Island Resort, Magic Gasoline Station, Permanent Gold, Katya Ico Delgado, J. Ico Construction Incorporated. Silver sponsors Tango Iraq, Imelco, Axler, La Filipina Uygongo Group of Companies, Mango Island Cafe, Pitstop and Stupa, Prime Gas, Land Bank of the Philippines, Cantua Agrifarm, Kion Realty, B-Shine, Penguins, Department of Tourism Region 6, Olivia's Kitchen and Island Group.
Reply mo, ma'am. 5. Isa ka kilo kang tuha.
Thai Beach Resort, Cosmet, Mama Days, Gaitan Island Supermart, Lucy, GTF Pumaren, Magnus, H&B, Salava, Internal Flight Plaza, Fisherman's Wharf, ELM, Panorama, Altamed, Bio Spectra,
Julius.
Naraban, Alimito, Vista, MLB Power
Pwede pa isa.
Meron pa sa nabiling ng items and for those who want to enjoy 9:45 slot, I think our registration is already ongoing. Again, for our first batch, Pagkabugin nga salamat! Thank you so much! Thank you still more in the province of Guimaras and the mangoes of our province. And Akapukaro, we have so many things that they can buy and bring home. Guimaras
For the 9:45, I still going on. Please check here on the left side of the
Sa labas na.
trade fair.
Sino winner? Sino winner? Si Mikael kag si Berne? Guys, ari ang winner, oh. Na. Winner. Ako, Sharjorly. Ilan yung naubos mo?
5 piraso.
Ikaw, Lako Sharmelay. Ito naubos mo, Lako Sir Julius.
Ito?
Yung chan mo, pila, ilan naubos?
Walo? At kwanto?
Gani. Ikaw, Lako Sir Aldi.
Ito lang.
7. Lako Sir Bernie. 8. 4.
Ito kailangan mga walo lang puro.
Wow. So, guys, ako guys, 5 lang yung naubos ko. So, ang winner, si Lacochero Michael at saka si Lacochero Bernie.
Alam ko pang kasiksi. Malaki ng tiyan pala.
Hindi mayo.
Kamay.
Guys, tapos na. Tapos na yung mga Lacochero kumain. Gamay lang, mainom water gamay.
Malipayo na sa ito kasi nagsiksis na kayo ng kaon sa mangga. Kaya kami na doon.
Guys, ang na-evidensya sa mangga, guys,
Kasi mo na palik-palik na kung wala ko na.
9:45. 9:45 to 10:15 siguro. That's all for today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share para mag-updated kayo sa aming mga